Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today we bring you a very serious and painful story from South Sudan. This is not just politics, this is not just military movement. This is about ordinary people, families, children, women, and elders who are caught in the middle of fighting that they did not start it. In recent days, violence increased in Jonglei state, especially in the northern areas. The situation is changing fast and fear is spreading among civilians. The South Sudan People Defense Forces, known as the SSPDF, have issued an order telling civilians to leave certain area immediately. The order has raised fear, confusion, and a strong reaction from civil society and human rights activists. Today in this report, we will explain what the SSPDF order means, where the fighting is happening, what has already happened to civilians, why civilian society groups are alarmed, and why many people fear this could lead to a bigger national crisis. Please stay with us until the end, because this story affects the future of peace in South Sudan. And before we move on, please help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Let's begin our report with the evacuation order by the SSPDF. On December 30, 2025, the SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, released a public statement from its headquarters in Juba. In this statement, the army told civilians to leave areas controlled by the Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition, SPLIO, the main opposition force. According to the SSPDF, civilians should move away from SPLA-IO military barrack, SPLA-IO assembly point, or SPLA-IO rally location. The army said this order is for civilian safety. The evacuation order affects three main counties in northern Jonglei: Nirol, Uror, and Akobo. These areas are mainly home to the Low-Nuer community. The South Sudan People Defense Force spokesperson, Major General Lure Kong, said the decision was taken to protect civilians, prevent civilians from being used as shield, and reduce civilian deaths during fighting. However, many people are asking a simple question: if this order is for protection, where are civilians supposed to go? Most people in these counties live in villages with no safe shelter, no transport, and very limited food. For many families, living means walking long distance with children, elders, and no protection. For civilians on the ground, this order did not bring peace. Instead, it brought fear. People woke up not knowing whether fighting would reach their home, whether staying would mean death, whether living would mean anger. Many civilians say they were not consulted, they were not informed earlier, they were not simply told to leave. In areas like Nirol and Lanken, families began fleeing immediately. Some moved into bushes, others crossed rivers. Men were separated from their relatives. Children were forced to leave school areas. Women carried babies were running for safety. This is not evacuation with support. This is displacement under fear. Before this evacuation order, civilians had already suffered serious losses. Earlier this week, report came from Lancanton in Ural County. According to local source and civil society group, an airstrike hit a market area. Civilians were present, people were buying food and daily needs. At least 26 Nuer civilians were reportedly killed by the SSPDF. Among them were 11 children, 10 women. Many others were injured, homes were destroyed, markets were burned, families lost everything. Civil society groups say these airstrikes were carried out by the SSPDF. The SSPDF has not publicly responded to these accusations. After the attack, many civilians fled Lankan and nearby villages. They now need medical care, food, shelter, and non-food items. Fear remains high because people believe more airstrikes could happen. The fighting in Jonglei has not been limited to airstrike. There have been ground clash between the SSPDF and SPLA-IO. Few days ago, SPLA-IO forces captured Wat Town, the administrative center of Ural County. This was a major development. The SSPDF, South Sudan People Defense Force, has not officially commented on losing the town. There are also warnings from SPLA-IO officials that fighting could spread toward UI, the headquarters of Ural County. SSPDF forces have been stationed in UI since before the 2018 peace agreement. This raised fear of expanding fighting, more displacement, a possible breakdown of security across Jonglei. Human rights groups and civil society leaders have strongly reacted to this event. Edmund Yakani, a well-known civil society leader, described the evacuation order as worrying and deeply disturbing. He said it showed that military forces being chosen over dialogue, and civilian safety is not the top priority. Edmund Yakani called on SSPDF and SPLA-IO to stop fighting and return to dialogue. He also urged IGAD, African Union, United Nations to step in and help prevent further suffering. Civil society activist Tara Manyangad, which issued a strong and serious warning. He called on South Sudanese communities, African Union, IGAD, United Nations, and international community. Tara Manyang urgently investigate. Said he urged the people to investigate the action and statement of the SSPDF. His concern focused on public statement made by some military officials, according to him, labeling Nuer communities as hostile and friendly based on location is extremely dangerous. When army state actors speak this way, it can lead to collective punishment, ethnic targeting, and crime under international law. Termanyang warned that command responsibility applies and those giving order must be held accountable. He said these words are no longer just talk. These are becoming actions on the ground. Targeting or planning harm against an entire ethnic group is defined as a genocide under international law. Activist Termanyang Gadwech called on the government to stop all ethnic-based language, protect all civilians equally, and respect international humanitarian law. All these events threaten the 2018 peace agreement. That agreement ended 5 years of civil war. Today, tension between forces loyal to President Salva Kiir Mayardit and forces aligned with first by President Dr. Machar are rising again. If fighting continues, trust will collapse. Communities will suffer. The country could return to large-scale war. Many South Sudanese fear history is repeating itself. In conclusion, the situation in Jonglei state is serious. Civilians are being told to flee, being killed in airstrike, being displaced without support. A civil society group is speaking loudly because silence now would be dangerous. Peace cannot be built through bomb. Unity cannot come through fear. Politics must never be solved through civilian suffering. We call on all army groups to stop fighting, leaders to choose dialogue, international partners to act early. Most importantly, civilians must be protected. This is Changfied News. We'll continue to follow this story closely. If you found this report important, like, share, subscribe. Biya kamal gwasme bana jome bana jelinkel. Lartin bana focus tin wename kalere kona shalat tin tuokre which ka South Sudan. Kalere baj to go liang to there are palpintin. There nyam ban lat gwasme a jo shalat and ordinating continte kalonwer ki mun lol deken jien mun lol ko shalat a deni SSPDF no bigana bikan kanak. Kachang yandang jokapai wero SSPDF deni SSPDF yetaka jom chikana tup kare jam mo tup kana kate quarter mentere wike juba la dor deni mandit kester mena chalat chikana la do ne civilian dial kejo dial gone no de ka jien an area mu kwa control akuma SPLIO shine ka gorten SPLIO jenda main opposition chairman ikona kajo chala de SSPDF kana civilian de ka jien gwada dan ente military barak tegatin ke dor de nitetin gwad mudul narotin ke chikande te ka gwada dan te SPLIO tegatin chikala do ne tumne order mo ko teram ban na kan de kon la civilian rewich kan witin kona chala do de na de ka jien tente de evacuation de latin ka wi dangro ke counties nitin te kan Northern Jonglei counties anyam Enyirol County Rode Uror County ke Akoba County ken county entity chala do ne te ka kalonwer community mun nyoden wo ne de na de gen wenamo SSPDF spokesperson with the Major General Lure Kong chala do ne a genchi decision chikana kan ko bi kan civilian bi kan ko protect kano cha civilian cha bu use la ne modong de nak re kormo a jene kune wo ni ke yun ne lianda de to ka civilian ne igan jo mo chikana to ban mi chide mene ngwan ti kenen wo ne ma cha order cha je to no de civilian de ke jien ke jiwo de ko wana den ka doren chele larek mit tegatin ngan je SSPDF rega mo gwada tegatin ador civilian ke wich kan de konti ka kanti zintiti kan ka wini kan gwad mo ba tel mi changi ga jien tel gwade kan kwagde kan go jiktin tel torbel de jalga ka kon bada larik ka jo kan o yen jana munyo do mi jena ka bom an gwada dan de kan jalu ga tin da lari mi didalon chala do na me moda bo akel mi jekke chemgwa ka jo chala gwasme wuri shalga me general lure kong jena gat akobo ke galonwer jena jaram dan top jo mi shirkana me chala do ne diala ka jen jermangay konan gwada me na kwiken madan lero she kore dana ci to pan gaje me ci ka bok inarin bare dori cha ka wang ni gwada kona wunatin be ke lonkos kum per na ka kurun wang te na ka market kana busy kana karenyal so mi cirena me shirye ga dana ci to ne ci bujen dang red bakel ci ga nak gwada shirenyal ci boktin ne kona shenek ga dangwel kel kaman dangwel no kanedi kokien te ka jiborni but ping ne kon jili ko ndial chala do kanedi jandangro widian bakel ke report dan chalat ne jandangro bakel kandial ke nur civilian ke nure ka jo chalat gwas me mo ko na ling antama a ce jojo gwano ci kuma kirm yadi cikala do ne ken biga na bikin ka bukarenyal so ken cikan goro en ran ce de ta gwada ta GSPL ayo tigatin ce de ten kana gwada ta GSPL ayo teten bikana buk ano ko kana kor dide so na me muto ka gwada ne me ci korce to gaje ci kon dial ngaji no ne SSPDF ikan de ne SPLIO ci kan kamak ka gwase dan me chwa ga joy dar shal ka wada kuma SPLIO la wat town no jen administrative center Kanyarol County to aja kep en wat mo dine SPLIO na mo jen me jak dine SSPDF ko be ko moy ke jaslo gor kano bi kan ne kon la SPLIO bi kan ka wuch aka kore shukur wena ka yai headquarter Dungror County an yai jen gwa dan ti SSPDF tigatin ka yai nike 2018 gwa dan ba peace agreement ba kulelat yai paltene lo telere ya goro de ka jen barandam je jojo gwano cha joj an woni mi ka jawrana chalat civil society group chika right ala human right group chika la do nene mi che jojo gwano nene cha order cha to bino binere kon civilian bi ka evacuate ke ba hoch angumu nyod na me nyod jen obe tegane te ba nak jen kuma en mun yakani ram ngai ke lunga civil society leader yala do any evacuation me jaganat ka dier ko mi che jojo gwawo chi military force chikano rom chin chikana to kan chika chenyo do no kan lokano de na ala right ka tuk tinyo no bina bu ga tede bina to ko so mu nyodo di si entama an civil society ke civilian la priority dan ndong de kam wachel chela jajan dan teten en mun yakana che yala do ne na ajena entama priority chela la civilian no ba ne to kon la joj ba ga ganga kum SSPDF chi yakana chela do ne na chola SSPDF en SPLIO no de kan ko de kan apal duno de kan nyon de no de kan right ke de kan te dialogue but charge nok de ni SSPDF shed mun yakana che ji ga che ga chol ala ne de content la kwar ke gat chaf ka union che ga nyom chola ka che United Nation che jogo mu chola ka ano de kan na de kan ka lokko che kor ma che de wo nya terma nyanga dwej ba che jo mi di che to ko che warning to shoda ba ka ta dan dong de na nyam ka ja Chiterma nyang gwasame cha jo chijitup chole South Sudanese communities, African Union, IGAD, United Nations, kana international community, ano they can investigate, they can action, they can ka jo ran chala da dini SSPDF. Jani man ko concern along ta dan shi na roi keje ke shi kana de kontila SSPDF chu roi keje no shi kan wari gan ga da kareo take our style ke friendly nuor. Mamo nyod jen ode tet tatin ko bigin war bikin kanak acela ro she gwano de ne ti de nuar de ga target ke de kanak jena men yod jena collective punishment mi cha order cha to bonone na ne ri content ala civilian ka werodian ka SPLIO control area ko bigina bikin kanak o jen ta dana let kana yala do mi shikene me ram me mi shamne mene de garam dana chal ko mo jara lure ko men chalat jena de el responsible ke deje la accountable kare ga dana chalat akona meriak apai kana nak pan ka ja kwas men ne jandang rut bakel right now jene gwata me gor kan no bu na nyok men kan ka a chiter me nyanke la do na me chicho en mi chene me ngai kon diale ko 2018 peace agreement dana cha tan ko je yarlong o ga 2018 peace agreement cha tan first by president Dr. Machar kana kir ajigan ya pinye no de ga let kel ba chikir che je beton. So right now, detention teten come dini prison care kana dini Dr. Machar. So jen menen yana tama mu te cha longa makabu ye chong yo den obi South Sudan batre kormedit. Ko tama tina rin la ngada ni mo ye telengat. An kuma SPLIO kana bika kor bi kana ter mo kuma SSPDF wo kan ngot kame maka kare duada antikitin. Akana bikan maj bikan yot ne bor ke ka Jonglei. Na me mele ro dan tama. Aminchi kuma SSPDF chikana order chikana top chira mi chikon linga ano joken all the civilian no kwarun wo gwada danante GSPL ayo ticketin nyo the jen wo cha kor cha jungo bo site men ngat ke long kuma kirmi yadi jerenyal bar ka jo chalat gwasme deni SSPDF wa chara ya lekaba ka pin kananyal ka deni SPL ayo ba ke woni gana top akani mukum we take back down ache michalado ache je gorno baje watch bukan ngot kame dong buga na buk kanit benetel choice do no baga kor baga jitera jenta dan len ngaro din ka jena me ka jen rob danan ci ne kontil activist iter ma nyang kanet mun yakani lar kenen no de netin kontil aji gat Africa Union ke international community they can interfere ko they can korme they can capture kami che jan bi South Sudan ba nyoglo ka civil war jok jena dana dol kana ne me aler mi chalat mi de nyoga yekel mi jiram jidit gwasame ka Changfied YouTube channel gore no jin bi subscribe ku bi channel bi support and bi atakamal ban jigale rodien. Bye bye.